Hello there. Today I'm just doing a quick video on the seatbelt locks in these older seats. So I've got an '01 Dodge here, which they don't have the seatbelt lock kind of system. And these seats are out of a 98, I believe. Because the seats that were in this truck were in rough shape. So I put these in, and of course, got the seatbelt lock problem. Well, the plug on these trucks is this 4-pin plug here, and then the plug for the seatbelt lock trucks is that bigger plug. So of course, if you put these truck seats in an older truck, or say you have another vehicle you want to put it in, you're going to want to figure out how to wire it in so the seatbelt locks work. Some people have bypassed the seatbelt lock module, but I assumed this one was good, so I preferred to kind of do it a little bit of a cleaner way. So the plug is right here. You can kind of ignore these wires. Most of the ones I hooked up were the same color wires. So you had the blue or red with a blue tracer that was 12-volt constant power. I just hooked that up to the same wire that was in that 4-pin plug. Then you've got a green and black and a black and green wire. I put both of those to the single black and green, that's a ground. Then you've got the green with a red tracer wire that also was the same color wire on the original truck here, so I hooked that up. I think this is I don't know, I think there's a signal or something like that. Then this blue wire is key on power, and the original wires that were here did not have key on power, so I had run a wire up in the truck to the fuse box, to this little fuse tap here. Well, it's just a, I don't want to pull it out here because it's in there pretty good. It just goes in place one of the fuses, and you put a fuse for the circuit you're adding. So I haven't found a 5-amp fuse, so I'm putting a 10-amp here, but a 5-amp would probably be lots. Then the original fuse, so this is a SIG lighter, position 15. The inner one is this 20-amp for the SIG lighter, and then the outer one's for the seat. So then I'm going to take the fuse box door, write a little note, say somebody else gets this truck after me, and write a note that the SIG lighter fuse is for the key on power for the seat. And then now, seat belts unlock, key off, good to go. Pretty simple, done nice and clean. I'm going to put a wire loom over the wire here, and then loom the plug, tape those wires back, and as far as anyone's concerned, it's factory until they start kind of looking. But hope this is easy, nice and easy to follow, and hope that I helped you out. Thanks.